We're joined by Aditya Arora, joining in with us this afternoon. Aditya, very good afternoon. Thank you so much, as always, for joining in with us on Markets at Noon. Look at the recovery, Aditya. That's what I want to talk about first. We do see that fall coming in a lot of times in the Nifty. It goes below that 19,300, but then again, it's managing to go back and then again a fall. What is the trend that you're picking up? Are these levels, when do you think that, what is that level that one should watch out for, where you think that Nifty will be able to sustain those levels, and that is a mark that we should watch out for?
Very good noon, Vinny. So I think markets are in a zigzag downward correction with neutral to downward bias, and the level that would be broken, that would signal a resumed uptrend would be 19,550. So once that level is out, maybe we can again start a march towards 20,000 and 2,500. Meanwhile, it's a stock specific market. Although on index level, there is not great participation from institution side, and there's selling pressure in cash market also. So it's a stock specific market, and I think metals and chemicals look good.
Mentioning metals and chemicals look good, stock specific market. Anything specific that you would pick out then in the metal space?
So I like Hindalco at this moment, which is currently trading at 448. This could be bought at this price, and stop loss should be 435, and target should be 480. And this stock I've recommended to my clients, so kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision.
Right, and Aditya, anything in terms of your top picks also that you're looking at?
So I have picked some stocks from mid cap and small cap space. So first stock which I like is Sonata Software. This stock is buzzing after a long time, and volume participation is backing it up. So Sonata Software could be bought at 1030, 950 should be the stop loss, and 1200 should be the target. Second one, Data Pattern. I heard you previously that management gave positive commentary. Stock patterns are also quite bullish. Chart patterns are also quite bullish. So Data Pattern could be bought at 2290. 2100 should be the stop loss, and 2500 to 2800 should be the target.
Okay. There are two stocks I want to understand from you, Aditya. One is Pyramal Enterprises. There is some amount of indirect link on geofinancial listing rub-off as well. It's all in the family, another lending business being born. But Pyramal Enterprises actually in the last 1.5 months has been gaining very smartly. Is it going higher? Is it going towards the 1100 mark? Can you check that chart? And also Ugro Capital, where Madhu Khela's family of one of the funds have picked up stake on Friday. Both lenders.
Right. PEL actually is in sort of consolidation pattern. 1100 is just 3% away. But in case stock stabilizes at 1120, then probably stock is moving towards 1200 to 1300. In that case, 1050 should be the stop loss. And second, Ugro Capital also looks quite good on the chart. It has one of the very fantastic chart patterns of any a stock leader or some sort of very good quality stock. It has those kind of characteristics. So Ugro Capital could be bought at 315.55, and 280 should be the stop loss, and target should be 360 to 400.
Right. And Aditya, I also want to understand in terms of anything interesting that you find in Zomato. How is that move that you are looking at for Zomato now? We're seeing high volumes right now, even today. So anything on terms of that?
All these startup stocks and new tech stocks, the trade has reversed since March when Fed has gone less hawkish. But Zomato today is down 0.5%. So currently trading at support of 88. If there is a bounce at 88, 87, well and good. Below 86, I'm not interested in the stock. But if the stock stabilizes around 87, 88 mark, then probably again stock can retrace towards 95, 96. Although the chart pattern right now is quite and pretty much neutral to bullish. So a sideways kind of trend in the counter.
I want to talk about textile stocks with you, Aditya. Pull up Trident, Indo Count Industries, Arvind, Himmat Singh Ka Seed, any of the stocks you would see very sharp improvement coming in. Today, Indo Count has given out some commentary also to the analyst community that the worst for the textile space is getting over. Some perhaps impact coming in from there. But if I were to ask you, Arvind, of course, is company of your backyard itself, but Ahmedabad was a textile capital of India at one point in time. You tell us, which is the best textile stock in your view?
Absolutely. Trident looks pretty good. Strong price action, strong volumes. So that seems the number one bet. Trident could be bought at 35.25. 33.50 should be the stop loss, and 37 to 40 should be the target. And Arvind also looks quite good. As you rightly said, a company from my hometown. So my place. So the chart patterns are pretty bullish, and Arvind can be bought at 158. 145 should be the stop loss, and 175 to 200 should be the target.
Okay, Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now. It's always a pleasure having you on the show.